Good morning, Anthony Speciale here with Big Energy Profits. Today is Thursday, February 18th, 2021. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Just want to give you a brief market update, let you know what's going on. As this storm is continuing to tear through Texas and Louisiana, the Panhandle area, the issues are still, of course, creating a supply problem. So with that being said, we are going to continue to look to this, how this is probably going to more intensely affect next week's inventory report so much than this week's, which we're expecting at about 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time today. So we still got power outages, we still got utility outages, we still got many people without, utilities. So there is some issues here, but hopefully by the weekend, a couple days from now, this weather should be on its way out. As of right now, that storm is really coming up through the country towards the DC, New York Metro, even up to the Boston area. I am in northern New Jersey, and as I look out my window, I have several inches of accumulating snow. So we're getting the back end of that storm right now as it's starting to come through our area. Elsewhere on the other side of the pond, Russia is having some weather issues also, which is creating some imbalance of their supply line. So there's a little bit of a production problem going on there too. So we may see a inventory or at least a reserve squeeze in next week's report here and abroad, based on what the weather is doing to the industry, because this industry is obviously very contingent on how things cooperate for it. So with that, volatility presents opportunity. That's what we like to see, and we are expecting again this week's inventory report to be released at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll update you on that tomorrow, so just sit tight. I think there was a little bit of profit taking this morning. Some news release that came out that the jobs report was not as good as Wall Street was hoping for. So that definitely, there was a broad market sell-off this morning, and not terribly aggressive, but there was definitely a mix of what I believe profit taking and also not the greatest news that came out. Now, from a purely technical standpoint, we still see that $57, $58 area as an area that affirms support, at least in the near term. We had punctured through that $61 area yesterday and last night. We will see if we can get back through that again and break that ceiling of resistance. Either way, we are here at Big Energy Profits are monitoring the market around the clock. We are taking advantage of it in the futures market. We are taking advantage in the stock market, the ETF market, the options market. And if you'd like to learn more about how you too can be involved in taking advantage of the opportunities the energy sector continues to produce, there's a video link directly below this that you can click on. It will take you to my training webinar where you'll learn more about myself, more about the service, more about my staff, more about what we have to offer you, and how we are tackling the energy sector from all angles. With that, guys, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. Most importantly, I hope you're healthy. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Have a profitable day. And I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care.